7 foods you should eat to unclog your arteries. Arteries are considered to be the plumbing system of the body. It helps carry blood which is rich in nutrients and oxygen to every cell. Just like a house, we should not let arteries in our body get hardened and clogged. Foods that are high in saturated fats, processed sugars, excessive alcohol consumption and smoking will reduce the artery's circumference, as fat gets deposited on the walls. This condition is most commonly known as arteriosclerosis. It is a major risk factor for stroke, heart disease, heart attack. Here are the 7 foods you should eat to unclog your arteries. 1. Asparagus. Asparagus is known to be one of the best vegetables for clearing arteries, due to its rich minerals and fiber content. Added to that is it contains a long list of vitamin which includes B1, B2, C, K and D. This vegetable can help lower blood pressure and prevent blood clots that may lead to serious cardiovascular illness. You can try steaming raw asparagus for its maximum vitamin potential. 2. Cinnamon. Did you know that a spoonful of ground cinnamon daily is all it takes to reduce your cholesterol level and to clear and prevent plaque buildup? It is also full of antioxidants which help to improve cardiovascular health by protecting the blood from damaging oxidation. You can add this fragrant spice in a cup of tea or sprinkled on top of your favorite coffee. 3. Fermented cabbage. Kimchi, a popular Korean recipe, which contains hot pepper, fermented cabbage, fermented fish and various other ingredients, have been proven to stop the atherosclerotic process. Added to that is it the strains of good bacteria in kimchi have been proven capable of degrading toxic chemicals that causes additional bodily harm. 4. Garlic. Garlic reduces bad cholesterol levels and blood pressure. It helps reduce plaque buildup in the arteries, among its many other potentially life-saving health benefits. It also shows promising effects on the reduction of elevated coronary calcium scores and acts as a gut-friendly antimicrobial. For its health benefits, eat 1 to 2 minced raw garlic cloves. If you are using used supplements, look for the amount of lysine, which is the garlic's active ingredient. 5. Pomegranate. Pomegranate does a good job of protecting the circulatory system from damaging oxidation, which is the cause of plaque buildup and dangerous blood clots. It also helps stimulates the production of nitric oxide in the blood, which helps a lot to open arteries and regulate blood pressure. You can try eating fresh pomegranate or enjoy pomegranate juice. 6. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds have been proven to be effective for arthritic pain and may be a perfect cardioprotective substance. It is perfectly suited for preventing the progression of atherosclerosis. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric, which contains polyphenol, known as curcumin, has been found to be a perfect cardioprotective. Studies have proven that curcumin prevents damage to the arteries that is associated with blockage,